My name is Frank Lattimore. I work for a company called TAG Roofing and Restoration. I'm here to perform a repairability test on the roof of Austin and Jasmine Erwin at 19470 State Route 4 in Marysville, Ohio. I will be manipulating this shingle to check to see if it is something that can be repaired. What I need to do is I need to simulate a repair by first breaking the seal of a shingle that we're going to imagine is damaged. What I need to be able to do is lift a shingle up to a position that will simulate the slipping of another shingle below. So we need to expose the nail strip where the nails would be hammered in. The nails need to be struck by a hammer straight down on top of the head. The nails cannot be put in at an angle because that would violate the integrity of the shingle. So I am going to manipulate this shingle 3 times because typically it takes about that many times to do a repair, and in an actual repair we would be manipulating this shingle, and this shingle. So here we go. Let's find out how this shingle performs. All right, so we can see these nails right here. I would need to be able to drive the hammer in, or drive the nail in directly flush. All right, let's see how this performs. As you can see, it did not perform very well. Creases all the way along the top. Therefore, this test failed.